Hi, my name is Isabella, and today I'll be showing you how to set up the Phone Lavalier. The Phone Lavalier is an easy-to-use microphone when recording with the phone. It is a way to pick up clear and better audio when recording. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about it. Let's begin. First, you need to rent out the Phone Lavalier. You can reserve it in advance or head over to the TSW window and check it out. If you wish to reserve it, you can place a reservation online at our website by searching up wpunj.edu/TSW and head over to our online reservation system web checkout. When using the Phone Lav, you might need to rent out a headphone adapter depending on the type of phone you are using for it to be compatible. If you have an iPhone with a lightning port, then you will need a lightning to headphone jack adapter. If you have an iPhone with a new USB port, then you will need a USB-C to headphone adapter. If you're using an Android device with a 1/4-inch headphone jack, then you can plug the Phone Lav directly in without an adapter. Both Lightning and USB-C adapters are available to rent out. Setting up a Phone Lav is simple. If you've rented out an adapter, start by taking it out of the box. Now, take the Phone Lav out of the bag and connect it with the adapter if applicable. If no adapter is needed, you can connect the Phone Lav directly on. When you are all set, you can connect your Phone Lav to your phone. The Phone Lav is a clip-on mic, so the correct placement for clipping a lav on depends on what the person is wearing. For the most part, you want the Phone Lav to be facing up towards or in the direction of the person who has the Phone Lav attached. You want to make sure nothing is covering or blocking the Phone Lav when attached. When clipping the Phone Lav, for a professional look, make sure that the Phone Lav wire goes under what you're wearing. This is so the wire is not visible when recording. Once you are all set up, you can open the recording app of your choice and begin. A note that should be mentioned is that the Phone Lav's cable length does not extend far, so you might need to rent out a Phone Lav extension cable if you wish to extend the cable of the Lav. It's advised that you test out all audio before recording just to make sure you're picking up good audio levels. Once you are done, please put away all the equipment and make sure that everything is the way you found it. And there you have the Phone Lavalier. If you have any questions, please contact the Technical Services window. Thanks for watching.